Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see or review your blocked number list on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the phone app on this page and then select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner and then select the settings button. And now on this page underneath general, you want to select where it says blocked numbers. And then on this next page, it'll actually list out all the numbers here of the numbers you have previously blocked. And you can see them all right there. If you want to unblock them, you could just click the little X to unblock the number, or you can add new numbers by selecting add a number. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.